People have been making a lot of arancinis, but today I'm gonna make one with an extra cheesy local twist. Chicken rice arancini. But first, we gotta make chicken rice. Today we're using Anchor mozzarella cheese to get a really nice cheese pull when we bite into the arancini later. Many of you think that chicken rice and cheese is a weird combination, but the melty cheese is going to go so well with the crispy coating of the garlicky chicken rice. Make sure to pack the rice tightly so the arancini doesn't break when you fry it. Now we're using a very simple 3-step coating: flour, egg, and Panko breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna fry the chicken rice arancini until it's crispy on the outside and creamy and cheesy on the inside. Must use dark soy sauce. You saw that? Really damn shook. You saw the cheese pool, it's extra stretchy, and then inside is still really nice and creamy. The mozzarella cheese will be perfect with baked rice, baked pastas, and pizzas.